In this quick Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to create a glowing text effect inspired by Netflix's Stranger Things. Welcome to Night Owl Design Academy, where creativity never sleeps. Let's get started. Create a new document. Use the size 3300 by 2550. Color mode will be RGB and resolution will be 300 dpi. Now let's add a color fill layer and fill this background with 040404. Now grab your type tool and type out stranger. Change the color to white and change the font to this one. Change the tracking to 0 and the size will be 109. Now take the letter S and change the size to 149. Change the baseline shift to -26 and the tracking to -40. Highlight the letter R and change the size to 149. And the baseline shift to -26. Now type out things and change the font size to 111. Place things so it's underneath stranger. Take both stranger and things and change the fill to 0%. Select stranger and double click this layer. Select bevel and emboss. Change the style to emboss. Technique will be chisel soft. Depth will be 188. Size will be 5. Change highlight mode to hard light. And the opacity will be 100%. Change the color to F20000. For shadow mode, change it to color dodge. And change this color to D56E00. And change the opacity to 100%. Now click on contour. Change it to the second to last one in the first row. Now click on inner shadow. Change the blend mode to soft light. And the color will change to F80000. And change the opacity to 97%. Distance will be 13. Choke will be 55 and size will be 76. Change contour to the fourth one in the second row. Noise will be 29%. Now select inner glow. Change the blend mode to hard light. Opacity will be 100%. And the color will be FF7F01. Change size to 10. Now select Outer Glow. Blend mode will be Linear Dodge Add. Opacity will be 95%. And change this color to EC0000. Change the size to 9, and range will be 70%. On this layer, right-click Copy Layer Style, and then on Things, right-click Paste Layer Style. Now use your rectangle tool and make a rectangle under the letter R. Change the height to 36 and change the fill to none. For stroke, change it to the red color, which is FB0000. And the size of the stroke will be 2 pixels. Duplicate this layer and move it to the other side. Duplicate this layer again and move this one to the top. Command-T on your keyboard and resize it. Select all of your lines and place them within a group. Right-click this layer and paste layer style. Now remove the contour from the layer styles. And take inner shadow and move it to the trash can. Now click on Inner Glow and change the size to 13. Create a new layer on top and rename this layer Red Glow. Now use your paintbrush and change your foreground color to FD7474. Change the size of your brush to 250 pixels. Place this red glow in several spots over the Stranger Things text. Change this layer to Overlay. Add another layer, and I will rename this layer to Big Glow. And I will increase the size of my brush. And change my color to FB1C1C. And place it on top of my text. Now change this layer to Vivid Light, and the opacity will be 67%. And that is how you make a glowing text effect in Photoshop. If you like what you saw today, make sure you click that like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.